You are going to love the 2019 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, HD radio, security system, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.